it really comes down to being very strategic. If engagement and retention is your focus, then you really need to apply a strategy, a research-proven strategy like meaning-centered leadership that leads to increased engagement and more retention, longer serving employees in your organization. So really focusing on that which we know what employees are looking for, and they're looking for relatedness, autonomy, and competence. And those three elements are part of what we talk about in meaning-centered leadership as the three E's: engagement, empowerment, and expertise. Just those skills and strategies that not only improve the well-being of the employee, but also the organizational, the success of the organization overall. So, but it does require that you have a focused approach and that you're training for that, and you're making sure that that's happening throughout the organization.
Yeah.